A new update in the spot Bitcoin ETF race, and Binance Australia gets a visit from regulators. Welcome to CoinDesk Daily. I'm Jen Sanasie. The CoinDesk Bitcoin price XBX index is currently around $30,500. Bitcoin barely nudging after newly released minutes from the Federal Reserve's mid-June meeting, which show policymakers anticipate more rate hikes ahead, but at a slower pace. During that meeting, the Fed paused rate hikes for the first time in more than a year, but Fed officials, including Chair Jay Powell, have made clear the pause is only temporary and they expect to increase rates possibly 2 more times this year. Valkyrie has become the latest TradFi platform to refile for a spot Bitcoin ETF. The asset manager filed new paperwork saying crypto exchange CoinBase would act as the partner for a so-called surveillance sharing agreement. Valkyrie is among several asset managers taking another stab at the process. BlackRock and Fidelity filed renewed paperwork last week. The SEC has reportedly pushed back against previous filings, calling them inadequate. Cameron Winklevoss, co-founder of the Gemini crypto exchange, tweeted what he describes as a, quote, final offer in the debt restructuring talks over the bankrupt digital asset firm Genesis. The plan for $1.5 billion in forbearance payments and fresh loans comes after months of negotiations and mediation. DCG is the parent company of both Genesis and CoinDesk. Here's the former CEO of Genesis Trading, Michael MORO, reacting this morning on First Mover.
We're hoping for a resolution here. I'm certainly friendly with a lot of the people that are still remaining, and certainly just kind of hoping for the best outcome, certainly for DCG, Genesis, and for Gemini, frankly, so that the industry can ultimately kind of move on.
Binance Australia's office was searched by the country's financial regulator on Tuesday, according to a report from Bloomberg. This comes after the company's derivatives license was canceled in April following an investigation into how it classified clients. In an email to CoinDesk, a Binance Australia spokesperson said, quote, "We are cooperating with local authorities and Binance is focused on meeting local regulatory standards in order to serve our users in Australia in a fully compliant manner." That's a wrap for CoinDesk Daily. Check out more updates on CoinDesk.com, and we'll see you next time.